We're making hearty chicken noodle soup today. So the first thing you need to do is boil you some chicken, add some chicken bouillon. I usually use about 4 to 8. I just like it to be really seasoned. Of course, you're gonna add other seasonings. Add some garlic, again, other seasonings, and boil this on medium-high. Incorporate onion, celery if you choose to, but boil this until it's tender, it's cooked thoroughly, and you're able to pull it off the bone. Add your egg noodles. Add some carrots and peas, more seasoning to taste. And at this point, you should incorporate your chicken broth if you haven't done so already. Bring this to a boil. You guys have just made some chicken noodle soup. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.